Hi guys, so today I tried one of those viral DIY face masks I've been seeing on TikTok, and honestly I wanted to see if it actually worked or it's another TikTok overhyped treatment. So this mask is made with just egg and coffee. Yes, these are very simple ingredients you already have at home. So as you can see in the video, I started by cracking an egg into a bowl, and instead of separating it like most people do, I decided to use both the egg white and the egg yolk. A lot of people only use the egg white because it tightens the skin, while some other people prefer the egg yolk because it's moisturizing, but I wanted the both benefit from my face mask. The egg white helps to firm and tighten the skin, reduces the appearance of pores and reduces excess oil, while the egg yolk is rich in vitamins and help to nourish your skin, hydrate it and soften the skin. So I decided to combine both to give me a balance of the tightening and moisturizing benefits at the same time. Then next I added coffee. Coffee is actually very good for the skin. It helps to exfoliate dead skin cells. Coffee improves blood circulation and give our skin that natural glow. Then I went ahead to mix everything together. Guys, you have to mix, like you must make sure they marry each other if that makes sense to you. You can go ahead and use your hand whisk to mix it very well before you proceed to this application method. As you can see me do here, you want to make sure your mask is very smooth so they can properly combine, and it makes the application method very smooth and easy. I mix for about 2 to 3 minutes for the consistency I wanted. Then I move over to this application method you're seeing right here. Already washed my face before applying this. You want to make sure your face is very clean, or you could use a cotton wool to clean with your face cleanser, but I just went ahead to wash my face. Then using my brush, I started by applying the mixture all over my face, and I made sure to be really generous with this application because I want to make sure I am giving every part of my face the benefit of this face mask. Applying a generous amount is very important because you want enough product on your skin for it to work properly. Imagine covering part of your face and the product is not getting to some part of your face. You would notice a significant change in the parts that the product actually covered, and then the other side that you didn't cover up feel different. So you want to be very generous. That's why it's better to use a medium size of egg instead of using a small size of egg. And also using the egg whites and the egg yolk also increases the size. But if you're working with just the egg whites, that's if you choose to work with one, you want to make sure you work with 2 eggs because you want enough marks to be able to cover your whole face and make sure that every part of your skin is benefiting from these marks, because that is exactly what you're doing. You're doing this to get the benefit. You're not just doing it to apply it for application's sake. I hope you get me, guys. So if you watched the video to this point, do well to give this video a like, leave your comments in the comment section. So after placing the first layer, I went in with paper towel, or you can go in with tissue paper, which is what I use. I use tissue paper. I place it gently on my face, section by section, avoiding my eyes, of course. Then I applied another layer of mask on top of the tissue to fully soak it. This helped to create that peel-off effect later on. I kept repeating the process until my entire face was covered. So this process took a whole lot of time, but I made sure to do this during the weekend that I had all the time because I did not want to be in a rush while doing this. So I am gently taking my time to make sure I lather this egg marks all over my face, that is on top of the tissue paper that I just placed on my face. I'm going to do this till I cover up my whole face, and of course I'm going to be playing you guys some background music while the application method is going on. Once I'm done with my whole face, I'm going to come back and tell you guys what to do next. Don't go nowhere.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos.
And yeah, guys, it honestly started feeling like a proper DIY facial treatment. I let this sit on my face for 30 minutes to completely dry off and for me to get the benefits. And this is what my face is looking after 30 minutes, guys. You would definitely feel your face getting tighter as this dried up, and that is totally normal. Once it was fully dried off, I started peeling off slowly, and trust me, guys, I'm not going to lie, this is the part that is very satisfying and a little uncomfortable at the same time. But I totally enjoy the peeling off effect. Peeling it off helps to remove dirt, oil, and dead skin sitting on the surface of your face. It almost feels like you're pulling off all the impurities. So you want to take time, enjoy the process. You could play yourself some music, you could be watching a movie, anything you just do that is going to help you enjoy this spa treatment at home. Just go ahead and do it, because that's exactly what I was doing. I was playing myself some music and I was just having the best time of my weekend. After peeling off everything, I went ahead to rinse my face with warm water. I didn't use any soap, just water to keep things gentle on my skin. And immediately after washing my face felt really soft, smooth, clean, and refreshed. Like I haven't gotten this kind of effect from any DIY treatment I've used on my face in a very long time. Like this really felt different. So yeah, guys, that is my honest experience trying this egg and coffee face mask. Will I be trying this again? Of course, yes, but not every week. I would recommend using it once a week, not very often, especially if you have sensitive skin, because the peeling parts can be too harsh for your skin to handle. Always remember to do patch tests before trying out any product on your skin. Let me know if you have ever tried this before or if you're going to try this after watching this video. and I'll see you in my next. Bye, guys.
Escape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go?